Yo, YouTube, this is A-Rod A Millie, and today I'm gonna show you a few steps on how to do a wave cut. Thank you for all my subscribers for being there on every video. I appreciate you. If you landed on this video and you like these kind of hairstyles, make sure you subscribe right now and click the notification button and get a notification every time I upload a video. This is A-Rod A Millie, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. You can follow my day-to-day basis on everything I'm doing on social media at ARod23PR on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and all of them. So make sure, if you want to keep up with my moves, go check me out. Go check me out. The link is down below in the bio. I'm gonna be using the Elegance hair fibers by Wester the Barber around the lineup so it can give a more sharp look and it can pop out. The fibers are the perfect solution to give the appearance of thicker, fuller hair in just a few seconds. Watch. To learn more about all the Elegance products, make sure you go and subscribe to the Elegance Gel YouTube channel. Using the Elegance Shave Gel, dispensing a clear gel formula is gonna give me an easy visibility around the lineup on where I'm gonna work with my A Millie blade, and all this is out now at www.elegancegel.com. Use the Elegance Pomade, easy to distribute around the hair and these waves. It's gonna provide a long-lasting shine, also a long-lasting hold. washes off very easily. Just with water. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit that thumbs down. We did it one more time for you guys. This is A-Rod, A Millie, and on the beat